These are candy-coated eggs. There's all different colors in here, like green and pink and blue. Some of them are even a little bit shiny on the outside. Some of them didn't quite form right. They're not quite perfect to look at. But the one thing that they all have in common is that they have chocolate on the inside. All of them do, no matter the color. I know this because I've been eating these for a few days now and enjoying them immensely. Steve and I were having a discussion that it doesn't matter the color, and it doesn't matter whether they're a little bit cracked. It doesn't matter if they're just a plain yellow one or if it happens to be a shiny one. No matter the color, they all taste the same. Even the ones that the company might call imperfect still taste delicious. It's what's inside that counts. When God looks at us, it's the very same thing. We all might look a little different on the outside. Some of us might be a little bit cracked, but God says that the Lord does not look at the things that man looks at. Because man looks at the outward appearance. But God looks at the heart. It tells us in Psalm 51 verse 17 that the sacrifices of God are a broken spirit, a broken and a contrite heart. In fact, it even tells us that the Lord is close to the brokenhearted. So it doesn't matter what you look like on the outside. It doesn't matter if you think that you blend in with all the rest. God still sees you as someone that can be used. Blessings.